Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make flat enchiladas updated. Start by prepping filling, warming tortillas, and preheating the oven to 375 degrees F. Then assemble flat enchiladas on a baking tray, spooning sauce between layers and topping with cheese. Bake until bubbly and slightly crisp at the edges. Let rest 5 minutes, then garnish with cilantro and lime. Serve warm and enjoy this simple, savory twist on a classic dish. Layering the right ingredients makes a big difference for flat enchiladas, so get everything within reach. Soften tortillas briefly in a hot skillet or damp towel to avoid tearing, then lay them flat. Spoon a thin line of filling across each tortilla, using about 1/4 cup per, and brush with sauce to keep them moist. Finish with cheese and bake until bubbling for best texture and flavor, then serve. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading cookbooks and recipes anywhere, with a crisp display and long battery life. I find it handy for keeping digital recipes by the stove without worrying about spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Assembly is where flat enchiladas shine, so take your time and have everything ready. Lay each softened tortilla flat on the tray, add a neat strip of filling, and avoid overstuffing to keep them flat. Lightly spoon sauce over the top of each tortilla so sauce spreads between layers, then sprinkle cheese evenly. Bake at 375 degrees F until cheese melts and edges are golden, then let rest briefly before serving and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.